This lesson is about translating words into mathematical symbols. Okay? And today we are going to specifically be changing them into a math sentence. Okay? So a sentence needs to have one of these symbols. It needs to have the equal sign. This is the less than sign, the greater than sign, the less than or equal to sign, or the greater than or equal to sign. If you see one of those symbols, then you have a math sentence. Okay? And the key, the trick to this is looking for the word is. Look for the word is. Okay? So if you see the word is, I want you to circle it, and the symbol is equals. Equals is how you say is. Okay? Is less than, you use this symbol right here. Is greater than, you do this symbol like that. Is greater than or equal to. So then you say greater than or equal to. And then you say is less than or equal to. Okay? One of the ways you can remember how this works is you look at a ruler. Okay? When you look at a ruler, you ask yourself, where are the big numbers? So if I go this way, the numbers get greater. Okay? So when you go this way, this is the way the numbers are greater. And that's why we use the greater than sign. And then which way are the less numbers? If you look at the ruler and you go to the left, the numbers are getting less. Okay? So this is the less than sign. All right. All of these things right here, okay, these are sentences. These are sentences. They are math sentences. Okay, let me give you an example. X plus 7 equals 5. Okay, that is an equation. That is an equation because it's got the equal sign. Okay, here's another sentence. X plus 7 is greater than 5. Okay, that's a math sentence. But this is an inequality. Inequality. In means not, and then not equal. So greater. Okay, both of these are sentences. All right. Well, what's not a sentence? Here's an example. Okay. X plus 7. That's not a sentence. That is an expression. Is an expression. Okay, it's an expression only. This is not a sentence. We've been doing lots of work with expressions. Now we're going to start adding some signs to make them be a sentence. Okay, we're going to practice this here a little bit. Okay, we're going to write the sentence as a variable equation or inequality. So we have to use one of these symbols here. Okay, so we have to look for the word is. Okay, the quotient of a number g and 5 is less than. Okay, is less than is that symbol right there, is less than 3. So I have the right side of the inequality. I need the left side. Okay, so now let's work on this. The quotient of. Quotient means divide. Divide a number g and 15. So I'm going to take g and divide by 5. This inequality sign, this one is an inequality. All right, let's do number 2. Okay, first I read the sentence. 24 less than a number x is greater than or equal to 8. This one's very tricky because I see less than, I see greater than. Okay, but the first thing you have to do is you have to look for the word is. Okay, is greater than or equal to. Okay, so first you have to write down that symbol. Is greater than or equal to is that symbol right there, greater than or equal to. So this is going to be the left side of the inequality, and this is going to be the right side. This is just going to have an 8. Okay, now let's make the left side. 24 less than a number x. Less than means subtraction. That we studied yesterday. Okay. Oh, wait a minute. Isn't this the tricky one? 24 less than a number x. This is the one you have to switch. X minus 24. Since this is the greater than sign, this is also an inequality. Inequality. So let's just go up here. These ones right here are all inequalities. And there's only one that is the equation. Okay? This one right here is equation. Equation gets the equal sign. All right, we got 2 more examples. Okay, so keep working hard. The product of -5 and a number b is 25. I found the is. It's all by itself. What symbol do we write for is? Just the equal sign. And we'll put 25 right there. Okay, now let's work on this side. Product means to multiply. So I have to multiply -5 and a b. -5, -5b. Is this an equation or an inequality? This one is an equation. Okay, we got one more. 6 is less than or equal to a number n decreased by 2. So let's look for the word is. And it's not by itself. Is less than or equal to. There we go. Okay, what symbol are we going to use for that? We're going to use the less than or equal to symbol. Okay, what goes on the left side? Just the 6, yep. Okay. Now over here, I have to do decreased. What operation is that? That's subtraction. Okay, do I have to switch it around? No, don't switch it around. Write m minus 2. M minus 2. Is this an equation or an inequality? This one is an inequality. Okay, if you are good to go and this all makes sense, we're going to try some practice in class. If you need to go back and watch again, rewind the video and listen again or ask me some questions. Good job!